Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, January 14th, 2010. This morning I'd like to go through something that came up in an email exchange I had with a customer who's using VisualWorks, migrating from VisualWorks 7.6 to 7.7. And you'll notice that I've got an error showing right here in the middle of my screen. And that's because the way this UI is set, this came from a 7.6 image, this input field was set to be type password and also read-only. And that leads to this inability to actually view it. So if I try to open it, you notice I get this message not understood initialized for password. It turns out that being type password and read-only, they're incompatible in 7.7. So what I need to do is fix this. And this is not the sort of thing you want to do normally, is go in and edit the spec like this, but I'm going to do this just to show you what's happening here. Now you notice it displays here, and if I hit edit, I can bring this up, and I'll show you what happened here to make this go wrong. So here I have a little input field, and it's been given a type of password so that when you open this up, it doesn't display the text. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you what it does. So I'll hit open, and I've got this. I've preset this to the letters FRED, Fred. And hitting the show button, what that does is just dump the current password into the transcript so that I can see what I'm doing. So that's all this little thing is doing. So let's close that down and go back to the painter. Now the way this guy was set in 7.6 was if type password, and over here on the details tab, it was set to read only down here. It turns out in 7.7 this is a problem. You get that message not understood initialized for password when you try to do that. And if you have code in 7.6 or a previous version of VisualWorks that set a password field to read-only, you're going to get this problem in 7.7. So what you want to do is edit these things back in 7.6 or previous versions, remove the read-only, and then set it up for 7.7. Or alternatively, you can go ahead and implement initialize for password in the class read-only text editor controller, and that will let you work around the problem. It's not really a good solution because then it allows you to copy text out of the password field, which is probably not what you want to do. So I just wanted to mention this is a potential problem porting older code from 7.6 or previous to 7.7. I know of at least one person who's run into this, so I thought I'd bring it up. That's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.